What do you wish for in a tractor? Greater comfort? Better visibility? Higher power? Now there's a new range of tractors from 83 to 155 horsepower that gives you all this and more. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors. Broaden your horizons. The spacious new cab is a comfortable and safe working environment designed for productivity. There's excellent 360-degree visibility to the front, the side, the rear, and even to the top. The steering column is fully adjustable, so whoever's driving can find the perfect position. All the instruments are clearly visible and the controls are logically placed and easy to use, so your working day is more enjoyable and productive. The integrated heating and cooling system ensures a comfortable working environment without obstructing your view. And the optional field office keeps things tidy with plenty of removable storage for pens, notepads, and even a lunchbox. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors broaden your horizons. A wide range of 4-cylinder 4.5 litre and 6-cylinder 6.8 litre PowerTech engines will tackle even the toughest tasks with confidence. But extra power does not come at a premium. A series of fuel-efficient features helps keep running costs to the minimum. The high-pressure common rail fuel injection system precisely determines the right amount of fuel for each cylinder. A dual air-charged cooler delivers accurate temperature control. The dual temperature cooling system keeps the engine running at peak performance. And their two-valve common rail design provides up to 35% more torque reserves and plenty of extra power. Together, these features keep fuel consumption and maintenance costs low. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors broaden your horizons. There's a wider choice of transmissions than ever before. Designed to match the extra power output, they're easy to use and built for a long, trouble-free life. Synchro Plus is the perfect all-round transmission. Fully synchronized ranges and speeds let you shift on the go, and the levers are positioned in line for easy forward and reverse shifting. The optional Power Quad Plus transmission offers 4 power shiftable speeds in each fully synchronized range. No clutching is required, and with soft shift you'll enjoy smooth shifts even under load. All shifting can be done with a single lever. The left-hand power reverser is ideal for fast and accurate loader work in cramped farmyards. Simply push the lever forward or pull it back to change direction without clutching. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors broaden your horizons. Livestock or arable, the new 6030 is built to handle every job. The self-adjusting Perma Clutch 2 puts you firmly in control with smooth changes and a long life. And no matter how uneven the load, the full frame design reduces the stress and twisting forces on the engine and drivetrain components. The pressure-compensated load-sensing hydraulics and up to 4 SCVs give you the hydraulic power and versatility to effectively operate almost any implement. For even higher demands, a pressure and flow compensated hydraulic system with up to 110 litres per minute is available as an option on the 6830 and the 6930 to provide you with faster cycle times and higher productivity. Perfect for mowing, ploughing, baling, seeding, transport and more. It offers unbeatable versatility. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors. Broaden your horizons. The versatility of the 6030 series makes it the ideal tractor for most farming operations. You can depend on its durability and reliability no matter how hard you work it. We rigorously tested every component to the limit to ensure outstanding build quality and a long life. Access to filters and service points is easy for fast maintenance with minimum downtime. And with 500 hours between engine oil changes, you'll also save time and money. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors. Broaden your horizons. The 6030 series is backed up by our worldwide dealer network, so you can rely on professional support wherever you are. Fast and reliable parts supply. Extended harvesting opening hours. And factory-trained technicians. All add up to a comprehensive support package designed to keep you working hour after hour, day after day. John Deere Credit makes buying and owning more affordable too. There's a choice of different packages to suit your business, ranging from traditional hire purchase to contract hire with maintenance. The new John Deere 6030 series tractors. Broaden your horizons.